So it is Monday, the 6th of December. It's the start of the new week, so it's 9 a.m. So really late. I woke up at 4, but I had to do like laundry and stuff, get all this stuff ready. In the meantime, let's keep making this money. 1:17 p.m. and I only made a total of 123. So yeah, actually it's pretty good because I actually woke up late today, so I didn't start till about like 9 or something like that. All right, let's keep it going. I'm charging right now. Let's see how much money we make for the rest of the day. All right, 8:52 p.m. and I made a total of 242, 243, somewhere around there. I'm done. Let's see if we can wake up tomorrow early. Well, I always wake up early, but it was pretty good. All right, let's keep it going. Let's see how much we make for tomorrow, Tuesday. All right, it's Tuesday, 6 a.m. Where's my car again? Dude, I don't know what else right there. 6 a.m. It's Tuesday. All right, let's see how much money we make today. All right, so it's 3:39 p.m. and I made a total of 387, I think, something like that, for a Tuesday. But I got Uber back, so calling them every week. They passed the background check and I just got it back. So all right, so 387 and it's only 339. Again, I'm gonna continue it because my diamond status, I'm about to lose it, I believe, on December or January, I don't know. So I need to accumulate my way up, all the way up again to the diamond class, to the highest tier, so they can keep giving me these promos. But 387, all right. I'm not complaining. Let's keep it going. Let's keep making this money. Actually, watch me make this money now that I got Uber back. All right, so I finished Tuesday off. I don't know what time. I think it was like 8 o'clock. $474. Nice. Tuesday, $474 for Tuesday. All right, let's keep it going for Wednesday. Let's see how much money we make. All right, it is Wednesday. I started at 6 a.m. It is what time is it? It is 10:41 and I only made $111. I finished working at about 2 p.m. and I made a total of 165. That's for half the day. Now I'm gonna take off from about 2 o'clock until about 5, and then 5 I'm gonna get back to work. So let's keep it going. See how much money we make for the rest of the day. All right, so I'm tired. I finished the day off. It was like almost 10 o'clock and I made a total of 276. All right, we're waking up tomorrow at 4. So let's keep it going. I'm falling asleep right now. All right, let's make this money. All right, it is 6:16 in the morning. All right, I woke up early, but I'm probably not gonna start until 8. So gotta pick up my daughter and drop her off at school. So all right, I can't start early. Damn it. But let's keep it going. Today is Thursday, so let's see how much money we make today. All right, so it is like 8:54, so not 9 p.m. and I finished making $453 for today. That's Uber, baby. Uber, $453 for today. All right, that's it. I'm losing my voice. Let's keep it going. Tomorrow is Saturday, so let's see how much we make. No, tomorrow's Friday. Let's see how much we make for Friday. All right, today, so it is, hold on, what time it is? It's 12:52. I made a total of 135. And again, since we got Uber back, the strategy for today on Fridays, Mondays and Fridays, is do as many trips as possible. All right, as close as you get to 30 or more, or 25 or more, whatever. As long as you get like as close as 30, it's really good. So that's the strategy for today. It's not about how much money you make, it's about the quantity of the trips that you make. So all right, let's keep it going. 135 for today. Let's keep making this money. It is 8:27 p.m. and I made $393. That's pretty good. A lot of deliveries, but I made 25 trips, $393, and I'm feeling nose is stuffed up. I think I got allergies. Alright, that's really good. Uber's back, so that's why things are getting better. So let's keep it going. Strategy worked for today. Alright, for Friday, let's see what happens for Saturday. Alright, 6 o'clock in the morning. Oh, look at this. My freshly meals. They've been 6:14. So today's Saturday. Strategy is just taking it easy. All right. Yesterday I accomplished what I wanted to do, and the next 2 days is just gonna be, just taking it easy, not working too hard. All right. See how much money we make. All right. So it's 2:32 p.m. and I made a total of $210 for a for a Saturday. So yeah, pretty good day. All right, keep it going. This is just regular rides today, and I still may work Saturday holiday, so I expected to you gotta expect to make some money. But let's keep it going. Let's see how much money we make for the rest of the day. All right, it's 8:15. I exhausted my 12 hours on the Uber app, so I've only made $348. Damn it, get in there. $348 for today, and I finished at 8:15, so I can't work no more. I work too much. All right, $348 for today. Sunday, it's gonna be a real easy day. So the Sunday strategy, which is just I don't work too much. I just basically just finish off of what I've done, and I'll catch on the weekend bonus. So let's keep it going. See how much we're gonna make tomorrow. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. For everything that's been going on in the week, it's been really good. So today, take it easy. I can do as many deliveries as I want, or just ride share all day. But it's gonna be a good day. Oh, all right. Let's see how much money I want to make today. Just keep making this money. So I finished today like at 12 something, which is about 6 hours. So if it was from like 6 o'clock to 6, I made $348, which puts me at about $58 an hour. Oh, Sunday strategy. All right, I love it. It's back. Okay, since I got Uber back, then yeah, the money's back. Money's back. All right. Now for the rest of the week, I made a lot. Hold on, let me look. So for the rest of the week, I made $2,564. Holy goddamn! All right. I think that was not my best week ever, but 2,564. I am not complaining at all. So that's all for this week. Let's see how much will we make next week. Let's keep making this money.